Guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. It's Tutor right here, and today we will be troubleshooting this kind of printer. Because when we turn it on, you can see the scanner starts up. But for 3-in-1 printers like this, it starts up by trying to check the position of its scanner. Notice the blinking light of the power button as it reaches the 0 point where it should start. Normally, it will stop and it will start if there's no error. However, in this printer, it continues to blink and it continues to attempt to detect the 0 point of the scanner position. Notice how the error takes place. And you will see the error. There you go. You see the error. So that is the problem that we're going to fix today. Watch out carefully, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much and have a great day. At this point, we need to disassemble this printer. We need to remove the scanner unit so that we could reset its scanner position. Notice how the screws are removed from the printer. For this model, Epson L3210, there is a small lock that is connected from the scanner unit to the body. Notice how it is being removed. There you go. Notice that there's a small lock flapping here. Now let's remove the flex that are connected to the mainboard. Please be gentle in removing these connections as it may harm your printer. Please also note that there's one screw right here that you need to remove the side cover. Before finally removing the scanner unit, please ensure that all cable flex connectors are safely disconnected. And now we have successfully removed the scanner unit from the printer. At this point, we need to disassemble this scanner unit. Please notice how the screws are being removed. And now we have finally removed all the screws of the scanner unit. Since all the screws have been removed, we can unsnap these parts to expose the internal parts of the scanner unit. And now we have successfully disassembled the scanner unit. You can see now its internal parts, and we can start repositioning its scanner. Please make sure not to touch the crystal part of the scanner. Once done, you can try now to reassemble this scanner unit. Please be careful not to dislocate the mechanical parts of the scanner unit. Just do the process in reverse to snap back the parts before reattaching the screws. Please remember to stick this flex cable on this part of the scanner. Now, we need to ensure that all the snapping points are properly attached. We can also double check if the position is right. Now we are ready to put the screws back. Just do the process in reverse when we removed the screws earlier. Now our scanner unit is ready. We need now to install back the scanner unit to the printer. Just notice how it is being reinstalled on the printer. Just reconnect the flex cables respectively. Now we can gently set the scanner unit back on its original position. Just please remember to put the screws needed. Now we're all set. We can now test if the scanner unit works fine. Notice how the scanner starts up. It will read that it's 0 point. Now it has reached its 0 point. Notice the changes on the power button light. The light now has stabilized. That means it's already okay. To prove that it's already working, let's test a photocopy. Now, let's make a print test. We can see that the scanner now is working fine and we have fixed the issue. Now the printer can work fine as usual. That is how to solve the issue with